Okay, let's continue. Please take out your activity book and open at page 11. Activity book, page 11. Activity 3. On activity 3, you are going to draw 3 pictures. How many pictures are you going to draw? 3. 3 pictures. Okay? How many pictures do you see? Very good. 6 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. You are going to choose from these pictures. You are going to choose only 3. Van a escoger. You are going to choose from these pictures 3. And you are going to draw 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Okay? Begin. Good. Listen. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you draw a table. Good. Raise your hand if you draw a pen. Good. Raise your hand if you draw a book. Raise your hand, students that draw a chair, an eraser. Good job, kids. And now let's go to activity 4. On activity 4, you are going to count and write the number. Count, write the number. This is an example. What's this? It's a table. How many tables are here? Look and find the tables. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, there are 4 tables. Okay? Continue with the other pictures. The chair, the eraser, the pen, the pencil, and the book. Let's check your answers. Please take out a red color, okay? A red color. How many chairs are there? Yes, 2 chairs. How many erasers? 6 erasers. How many pens? 5 pens. How many pencils? 3 pencils. And how many books? 1 book. Very good. Repeat after me. There are 4 tables. There are 2 chairs. There are 6 erasers. There are 5 pens. There are 3 pencils. And there is 1 book. Great job, kids. And this is the homework, okay? This is our homework. What are you going to do? You are going to count and draw. Count and draw. Who's he? Yes, it's Monty. Very good. Okay, number 1 is an example. What number is it? Yes, it's number 4. How many books do you see? 1 and 2. Yes, 2 books. But how many books do you have to draw? Look, number 4, 1, 2. Yes, 2 more books. No? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You draw 2 more, and now you have 4. Okay? You do the same with the other exercises. Okay? You look at the number, you count, and you draw here. Good. Okay, kids, see you in next class. Remember, stay at home, take care. A big kiss for you.